Japan's Takeda Pharmaceutical's dengue vaccine, QDENGA, has been approved by India's drug regulator, making it the first dengue vaccine to be approved in the country. The company's unit said today. The tetravalent live-attenuated vaccine, designed to protect against all four dengue virus serotypes, viewers, can be administered regardless of prior dengue exposure and does not require pre-vaccination testing. Now, the company has said that, and joining me with the latest updates is my colleague Atul Ranjan. Atul, what can you tell us about this big update? Because this really is a breakthrough.
Quite a landmark moment. This is quite a landmark regulatory clearance that has been given by the Drug Controller General of India when it comes to the market authorization of this Japanese vaccine, beg your pardon. The first ever approved dengue vaccine, which has been given this approval by the DGCI. Now this approval has been given for the usage of between age group of 4 to 60 years, and it can be administered as a two-dose regimen given 3 months apart, is what we are learning. Now, if I talk about the clinical efficacy and of the whole the vaccine, then this vaccine uses live attenuated chimeric structure built on a dengue serotype 2 genetic backbone, and this vaccine seriously impacts the long-term the hospitalization reduction. In fact, the data that we are getting is that the global trials have showed that vaccine prevents 84% of dengue-related hospitalizations, and it also maintains roughly 61% of efficacy in preventing confirmed symptomatic dengue cases across the country, across the diverse population that has been studied. So now this is quite significant, because given the fact that India, has 1/3 of the global dengue burden as well, and now reported cases nationwide have spiked 11-fold over the past 2 decades due to rapid urbanization and shifting climate patterns. So to meet the local demand and to support mass immunization, this particular breakthrough is quite crucial. And now what we're expecting is that this vaccine is expected
All right,
to,
Atul, thanks for joining me. And this, of course, viewers, is some welcome news that we're sharing with you. And now moving forward.